We will start off with the cleanser. Okay, our cleanser are very multi-purpose using because you do not, okay, for those who have makeup, you don't actually need to have any cleanse remover to remove your makeup. You can just use this by doing double cleanse. Alright, but if you have eye mascara which is waterproof, please use waterproof eye makeup remover. Otherwise, for a face or any lipstick, you can just use our cleanser. So because it's all in one. Okay, first of all, you need to squeeze an amount of about our 5 cents, you know, amount of that. Then you need to lather it with water. Make sure you just tap on it and put on water to get the foamy. Alright? You need to tap a lot to get this foam. Bubble like this because this bubble is the one who's going to clean your face. So what you need is you need to tap around all around your face. Alright. You're going to go circular movement. Circular upwards. Cleanse all the impurities from your face. You can leave your eyes open. It will not sting because it has 5.5 pH. So it's very natural. You can remove your eye makeup around for those ladies who put eye makeup. Anybody who has pimples, you can just leave it on for a minute so the bubbles will cleanse inside because it cleanses right till the deep cellular level. See, it's not only the surface. If you have makeup, you know, you have your powder on, please do double cleanse. So you actually save a lot. You don't need, I can assure you, you really don't need cleanser, especially when you travel. You know, it saves your space, it saves your time and your money as well. Cloth, and you can remove it, then it's clean and easy. Alright? Make sure all the bits and pieces and all your makeup are removed. Now, as usual, actually, we will continue with that one. But today, we're going to do the whole skincare. So, we're going to put mask. Okay, this is our mask. You need to apply about 1/3 inch of thickness. Do not apply too thin, otherwise you can't remove. So, but it depends on as you know, as you do it, your experience, you'll know how much to apply. All right, I can't tell you because sometimes maybe in between, if you just do it once a week, then you can apply very thickly. If you do it every day, probably you don't need so much. You know, like it just all depends on your experience. I would not tell you, you know, this thin or that thick, but as you use it, and then you will know that, okay, oh, this is not the right amount. Next time you will do more. Then you will know that you can pull off easily. This is the first time he's using Luminous product. He has not used it at all. You will see the difference. It's very good. It's all in one. So you actually, you know, you save time and it will pull off all the impurities from your face, you know, and lift it up. And you see that your face will be much clearer. It's not harmful at all if you were to use it every day. 20 minutes till it dry. You can even use it around your neck, so when you lift up. But make sure when you're doing this, just relax. You need to lift this up. With this mask, you can see it will remove all the impurities from your face. You know, you don't actually need to go facial anymore if you do this, right? Sorry, what you mean rejuvenate? That means you go to a proper facial. You can take the cloth again to wipe off any excess mask, or if you're at home, you just wash it away. Okay. And now, alright, this is only the cleanser and mask. Okay, the next step. Okay, after the mask, you close your eyes. I will spray water. You can just, if you have just normal water will do, just to moisten it. Why is it so? Is because our serum will react very well with moisture. Only Luminous serum, don't talk about outside. Because of the growth factors, we are depending on the growth factors which is inside. Okay, you need to have 1.5 palm, depending on your face. If you have smaller face, you have 1 palm, good enough. Dab it on top of your hand. Morning, use left hand. Okay, just apply around, all over your face, even under your eye, especially under your eye. If you have eye bags a lot, okay, then next you just do lifting up. Alright, just apply it. Concentrate, circulate around your eyes, because that's where, you know, your eye have lots of wrinkle or eye bags. So, and your forehead, to some men, and your neck. Okay, just apply till you can feel, you know, the lift is almost dry. Then the next step will be your day moisturizer. Okay, day moisturizer, switch it, turn around, and just 1 pump. Right? Day moisturizer, you need to mix it because they have SPF. It is to have a good mixture of all the SPF. Because it's inside the bottle, you can't shake it. So when you pump, you do it this way as well. You just dab it around. Don't do the dotting system, which I think many of us used to do it, or still doing it with this current product, right? You don't. You just put it so then you have even application. You can even use it under your eye, right? You just need to do the lifting and circulate movement around your eyes. Just do upwards and make sure all are split inside. The last step will be this water again. The last step. Okay, close your eyes and just spray and let it dry. If you can't wait, then you tap it. Otherwise, you just let it dry naturally. And okay, we are done.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, you just have a look at the mirror and tell us how you feel.
I feel
Right?
fresh.
Let's take a picture, then you can see, you know, the first time before using the whole thing. So always finish with the water, and in between the day, if for men you don't have anything, you can spray the water, continue.